Hello friends, welcome back to Tech2. In this video I am going to show you how you can easily change ringtone of your smartwatch Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Just on your smartwatch and then go to your apps. Now tap on settings, tap on sound and vibration, scroll down until you see notification sound. Tap on notification sound. Now here you can choose which voice you want. You want silent, you want beep, and so on. Okay, so you can take the audio from here. Alright, that's how you change notification sound in your Samsung smartwatch. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to TechSoul 2.